Make sure you watch until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I want to go over the number one thing that if you're getting ready to enter the key programming business, you probably haven't thought about yet. Can you guess what it is? Now, before I get to that one thing you're probably missing, we all know you do need a key machine. I'm hoping you invested in a good quality key machine that's going to serve you and your customers well. Now, we all know that you need a key programmer. You didn't think that was the number one thing, did you? But it's important to note that you want to make sure that you're investing in good, solid key programming equipment that's going to last you and not leave you hanging. So once you've invested in your key machine and key programmer, it's time to invest in a wide variety of keys that won't break when you drop them. So you have your key machine, you have your key programmer, you have your key, you go out to the vehicle. But if you don't have a jump box in case the battery is dead, it's all gonna be for nothing. So make sure when you're getting set up, you include a high quality jump box to make sure you can get the job done. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.
We're rolling.
Thank you. So now that you have your key,
now that you have a ton of cars in the background.
Yeah,
we're still rolling.
Yeah.
Cool.
Now you.
All right, are you good?
Yep.
Okay.
Ready?
Go ahead.
So you saved up. Can you see my feet?
No.
No, of course you need it. Now if you're programming.
So what are you trying to say?
Well, we all know you have to have a key machine. Essentially is what I'm trying to say.
Right.
So you have to have a key machine, you have to have a key programmer, you have to have keys. But without this, none of them matter.
Right. Okay.
So this is just the key machine part. Can you see my feet? Since you just watched this video, I'm guessing that you work with locks and keys. And to us at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, join the conversation and comment on our posts and videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. It's free to enter this giveaway. And every Tuesday, we're gonna pick 5 winners from the previous week and hook you up with all sorts of prizes, including gear, tools, supplies. We might even send you a key machine or buy you lunch. So if you're a lock boss, join us every week to learn, grow, and win.